What is the best and worst thing about being Jordan Peterson?
The worst?
Well,
I'm,
this is a serious question for him. You wonder why. It seems to connect deeply. I'm a bit much. Could we speak more vaguely? I'm a bit much. Difficult to handle? No, I can handle you. Uh, Small moments at a time. Not for a whole day. No, I wouldn't live with you, but don't take offense.
And the best?
you might say. So,
What's the best thing?
I'm sort of running in all directions very rapidly, and so that can be a bit much. It's hard on people around me. I'm a bit much, man.
He's kind of stuck on that first question, the worst part of your life. It does seem genuine, I must say.
What's the best thing about you?
The best thing about being me,
Yeah.
it's overwhelming, really. Well, the deep appreciation that people have for what I've been doing.
Yeah, I can identify with that. But let's hear what he says next.
It's stunning. It's it's soul destroying. But
It's soul destroy. My God, what is he talking about? Being appreciated is soul destroying. There's something we don't know. What could it be?
Is it not soul enhancing? I mean, I feel.
Yeah, Piers Morgan rightfully wonders. Didn't you say the wrong thing? Isn't it the opposite? Soul enhancing, not soul destroying.
Reaction I get from people, just how much you mean to them. I mean, I can imagine it.
yeah, well, that's a bit much, I mean,
Again, that vague expression, bit much, bit much. Repeating, like this is very emotional, very serious, but he's not being forthright.
where I go, so strange, eh? Because wherever I go, it's like I have friends there because I walk down the street and people wave at me and they call out my name and it's a bit much.
It's
It's
amazing.
really something, but
Wow, if that happened to me, I would really be appreciative. I would maybe invite people to my house and have a drink with them somewhere, water or something equally healthy. But that's not how these cultural elites, that's not how they operate. That's not how they function. It was my experience also with Max Egan and his buddy, what's his name? The one who walks and talks with his puppies. When I met them, well, I didn't really meet them. I learned that they were very unfriendly. And something is preventing them from genuinely connecting with us.
It's
but
amazing.
it's hard to. It is. It's hard to wrap my head around it. It's very hard to wrap my head around it, and especially because it happened to me. When I was I didn't
It happened to me. What happened to you?
when I was older than 50. It's been quite an adjustment. I wouldn't say it's one I've made, and it's an immense responsibility. And I'm not complaining
It
about it.
happened to me. He means he became famous. He was rocketed into fame suddenly in his 50s. What was responsible for that? Who tapped his shoulder? What secret society tapped his shoulder and said, keep doing exactly what you're doing, and we are going to promote you and make you a superstar and rich.
At all. I'd be a fool to complain, an ungrateful fool. But it's it's a strange thing to have far more than you could
Wow. It's a strange thing to have far more than you could.
ever imagine.
Mm. Yeah, well, he's enjoying his life in nice suits and probably nice homes, nice airplanes, etc. Um, special medical treatments in Russia that are not available to us. I can't even imagine what kind of treatment he really got in Russia while he was there for his treatment. Well, maybe that's enough. I hope we can see now the good professor and doctor from a new perspective. I don't think he is who people think he is. They need to change their perspective. Um, I think Jordan Peterson is torn and troubled because, well, he's not only he knows he's become a tool for the ultra wealthy, but he's probably strongly suspecting that he's not really helping anyone and wouldn't be chosen by them if he really were helping anyone. I mean, helping us create the better world that we deserve and we are destined to create. Of course we are. Well, I trust this video has given you a new perspective on a few things, including on the importance of being able to change one's perspective, see similarities, recognize irony, and generally think.